Tangsalo Manu RG Block ni Twidulmwng by Manu Agriculture Subdivision ni Chailengta Haba Nogo SMAM scheme ni Bisingtwi Hukbar Khlainai Rokno Bakjakha mini Truckter. Asalni Pandau Manjakha Mondal President Sonjit Dev Burma, Block Vice Chairman Pranay Dev Burma, Chwmanu Agriculture Subdivision Superintendent Jyotirmoy Chwmanu Khowai de Govan Adongrok, Asalo Abo Haike, Mini Tractor Bakjakha by Hukbar Khlainai rune Bisingtwi Bakjakha Khatungmwng.
Chini Longtreville Subdivision Chailengta Agriculture Officer, Subdivision Agriculture Officer, Chini Rajya Sarkar Ningwe, Chini Subdivision Price of 26 mini tractor Chini Krishok Jara Tomai, Krishok Baino, Bongi Yabo Seri. The new program of the Block Vice Chairman from the Bromo, Superintendent, the Jarachini Krishok Jara Painetini, for Balano Katong Tozaka, Karon Chini Krishok Munga Chini, Barbursoni, Proton Seni, Karon Boni Madaman Chini Meridondo, Amuno Naharino Chini, Manu Montri, Rotom Lalna, Manu Mukho Montri, Professor Dr. Manishaji, Roti Nihoto Krisho, Rote Bage, aggressive Nabus Kango Baga with Payment, Abuno Naharino, Chini Longtreville Subdivision, Mono Block, Chini Mono Block in Madame, Chompista, beneficiary, Krisho, and Yapata.
Long travel in a semikiron ni Koktum, Chini Khorang.